Hey guys, it's your girl Sabri here from Elite Boss Plug, and I wanted to stop by to show you guys how I created my Instagram highlights using Canva. Alright, so let's get right into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a new page here. I'm going to remove the background so that you can see everything that I've done from scratch. I have uploaded all my documents that I'm going to need in order to create the look that I'm going for. So I'm going to start with my background, and then I'm going to add my little pizzazz as I go along. Let's duplicate this so that we can have another one down at the bottom here below. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to go in my elements panel and I'm going to get me a frame. Let's resize this a little bit. And in my frame, I'm going to upload my image for the glitter effect. Once that is done, I'm going to go back into my elements panel and I'm going to add a circle, which is going to pop right in the middle there, and we're just going to adjust it accordingly. And that looks okay to me. Then we're going to change the color to match our brand. Even though the color is here, what I wanted to show you is due to the fact that I'm using Canva Pro, it has a tendency of picking out the colors out of all of your images that you have within your document, and I thought that was pretty cool. So we're going to choose that color right there to match. Or let's try this one. No, I prefer this one. Alright, so we're going to work with this one here. Once that is done, we are going to go into our uploads panel and I am going to choose an image that I want to use, and let's use the book. We're going to add it right in the center there. Then we're going to go ahead and add some text, and what I'm going to add for this one is I'm going to call it biz tips. Hold on, I seem to have added text twice, but no worries, we can just delete that. And let's adjust this, and I'm going to call that biz. I can't spell biz tips. There we go. Then I'm going to change the font type to brusher, and I'm going to make that in full caps. And let us change the color to white in order to match the background so that it's much more visible. We're going to add one more text, and that is going to be our website, which is elitebossplug.com, and we are going to leave that in the color black. However, I'm not yet done. I wanted to add a little bit more to the background, like that extra jazz. So we're going to go in and we are going to add this image right here. Let's do that. And I'm doing this very slowly because Canva sometimes will pull the image too far. And let's change the position to be behind all that stuff. And then once we've done that, we are going to bring down the opacity to wherever we're comfortable, and I am okay with 5, and we are finished. And there you have it, our Instagram highlight. Simple, easy, just an easy step. What you can do also, if you have something else in mind, sorry, Canva has a tendency of doing that, you can copy the page and you can just change out the wording for stuff. And let's change this to shoutouts. There you go, the perfect Instagram highlight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to let me know if there's anything more that you would like to learn, and I will be more than willing to show you guys. Oh, and be sure to follow us on Instagram at Elise Boss Plug and check out our website at www.elisebossplug.com. Bye, guys.